I was referred by an endodontist for a problem that he could not take care of, and he felt that I needed an implant. And so he sent me to this office, and I just happened to have my appointment with Dr. McDonough. And it was an eventful appointment because the problem that I came for turned out not to be my major problem. He used a probe of some sort, and as he was going around my mouth, he was calling out numbers like 1, 2, and his assistant was recording them. And I said, "What are you doing?" And he said, "I just am checking, for the health of the rest of your gums. It ought to not be more than a 2 or a 3. If it's more than that, we may have a problem." And when he got to this side of my mouth, he called out a 7. And it was like, oops. So we did more x-rays, and it turned out that I had a tooth that was already under a crown, and it had a root canal, but the root itself had broken into 3 pieces. It looked as if my tooth had 3 roots instead of 2, and it was tremendously infected, and yet I had had no symptoms, no pain of any kind. And so we rushed right in, and he had me in here in a week and extracted my tooth and did the site work to prepare it for an implant, and put stitches in and sent me home. I went into the procedure with full knowledge of what we were doing, why we were doing it, and what the ultimate result would be. And I can say I had no pain or discomfort during the entire experience. I took all the meds I was supposed to, but never had any discomfort or swelling or bruising, and that I was going to be just okay. I was going to be just fine, and I appreciated that. I appreciate the lightness and the friendliness, but at the same time, the total professionalism in this office is just amazing. They're all total professionals from the time you walk in the door and you're greeted until the time you sit down for your consultation on where we go from here. Follow-ups, everything. I couldn't be more pleased than I have been. And I feel that I've made friends in the process, and that's always a good thing.